Igbos are so self-centered on their own. Instead of coming together to build as one. These are the reasons you have hotels, a lot of hotels in Southeast. But like very, very handful of factories. Most of them choose to go and buy acres in Lagos and build factories. Acres in Kano, and is so shameful of this tribe. A tribe that if these guys could go home, you will not believe that these people are part of Nigeria economy. Because that place will be so different and so vastly developed comparing to any part of Nigeria. They are not even focused on home, and yet you see some part of the East quite developed. Imagine what happens when these guys focus in their area. Imagine, like the Igbo land will be a place where if you're a tourist and you have never visited that place, you know that no, you didn't visit Africa. But they are much focused on individual success is their biggest problem. My mom is Igbo, and I'm not really impressed with these guys. Bro, you guys have the potentials to do great things. What are you guys doing? They are now saying that Ijaw people are beginning to come out to claim that Imo State, some part of Imo State is now part of Ijaw. Why? Because of the gas that has been discovered there. This gas is, according to what I've read, is part of the biggest gas reserve, if I'm not mistaken, in sub-Saharan Africa. This has always been Imo State. It has always been Imo State, Igbo land. Now they are coming out talking. The only thing you see Igbos online. Bro, come back home before you start losing things. You will cry. The leadership and this political system of Nigeria did their best to landlock the Igbos, to make sure they don't allow them to have any say, to try their best to trim their creativity, ability, their growth. Yet God keeps showing that I can make great nation out of you people. If only you can come together. Things are still being discovered in your land. You have coal, you have things, and the problem is individual ambition. Look at Abia State. If somebody comes out to say that Alex Oti is not even doing anything, that he has failed. That's a leader who became a governor, as at the time when Abia State was a thing of mockery. People was laughing at Abia State. Today Abia State is becoming one of the very developing areas in Nigeria, and so an Abia State person comes out to disrespect. Like, I don't know what is happening. They are so interested in individual. Go and build your own business. They build business, coming together to sit down and say, let us make sure that we keep our fatherland and our place built for our own best.